Today we're going to discuss the topic of multiple intelligence, presented by Mr. Hussam Muafi, expert teacher of English, Shobra Language School, Rod Al Farag Directorate. The trainer lines: Hussam Muafi graduated in 1994 with a degree in English, participated in authoring many books, got a scholarship to UK in 2006, got various certificates from UK and local ones in Egypt, participated as a trainer in various occasions. Today we are going to discuss the topic Multiple Intelligence by Howard Gardner. We're going to discuss what is it, what is multiple intelligence, what is the impact of multiple intelligence on curriculum, then learning style, how do we apply the multiple intelligence on learning styles, then conclusion. Teaching today. Teaching today is different from teaching in the past. In the past, teaching was teacher-centered, but today, teaching is student-centered. In the past, teaching had single media, but now, teaching has multimedia. In the past, teaching was individual work, but today, teaching is collaborative work. What is intelligence? According to Gardner, intelligence is the capacity to solve problems. Intelligence has been defined in many ways. The capacity for logic, understanding, self-awareness, learning, emotional knowledge, reasoning, planning, creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. Howard Gardner proposed that there is not a single intelligence, but rather than that, there are 9, maybe more. Linguistic intelligence, logical or mathematical intelligence, visual or spatial intelligence, musical intelligence, tactile or kinesthetic intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence, naturalist intelligence, existential intelligence. Howard Gardner claims we all possess one of these intelligence, but in varying degrees of strength, skill, and limitation. Just as we all look different and have unique personalities and temperaments, we also have different profiles of intelligence. No one kind of intelligence is better than another. Each intelligence has its own sphere of expertise. Intelligence are independent. Howard Gardner's multiple intelligence. Linguistic intelligence. What is linguistic intelligence? Linguistic intelligence, often called verbal linguistic intelligence, having mastery of language, ability to manipulate language to express oneself rhetorically or poetically, use language as a means to remember information. Then we have visual or spatial intelligence. What is visual or spatial intelligence? Visual or spatial intelligence gives one the ability to create mental images in order to solve problems. This intelligence is not limited to visual domains. Gardner noted that spatial intelligence is also formed in blind children. Then we have musical intelligence. What is musical intelligence? Musical intelligence includes the ability to recognize and compose musical pitches, tones, and rhythms. Auditory functions are required for a person to develop this intelligence in relation to pitch and tone, but it is not needed for the knowledge of rhythm. Then we have tactile or kinesthetic intelligence. What is tactile or kinesthetic intelligence? It is the ability of one's mental ability to coordinate one's own bodily movement. This intelligence challenges the popular belief that mental and physical activity are unrelated. Then we have interpersonal intelligence. What is interpersonal intelligence? Interpersonal intelligence is the ability to recognize feelings, intentions, and motivations of others. Then we have intrapersonal. So there is a difference between interpersonal and intrapersonal intelligence. Intrapersonal intelligence, the ability to understand one's own feelings and motivations. So intrapersonal is about oneself, okay? It is versus to interpersonal. It talks about the ability to use that information to regulate one's own life. Then we have naturalist intelligence. Naturalist intelligence. It is the ability to recognize and categorize plants, animals, and other objects in nature. Then we have existential intelligence. What is existential intelligence? Existential intelligence is the sensitivity, capacity to tackle deep questions about human existence. For example, the question about what is the meaning of life? Why do we die? How did we get here? So there are nine multiple intelligence, which are linguistic intelligence, logical or mathematical intelligence, visual or spatial intelligence, musical intelligence, tactile or kinesthetic intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence, naturalist intelligence, existential intelligence. Visual learner. Who are visual learners? Visual learners prefer to see information such as picture, as we said,